When it comes to upgrading your home in West Jordan, you may be thinking about landscaping, fresh paint, or kitchen updates. But one of the most impactful and often overlooked improvements is window replacement. Installing new, energy-efficient, and stylish windows doesn't just improve how your home looks from the street, it can also significantly increase its resale value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to love where you live, here's how window replacement can transform your West Jordan property. Freshen up your home's exterior. Old, worn, or outdated windows can make an otherwise beautiful home look neglected. Common issues like peeling paint, faded frames, and foggy glass draw attention for all the wrong reasons. New windows give your home a clean, modern appearance. With a wide range of frame materials, colors, and grid styles available, you can complement your home's architecture, whether it's traditional, contemporary, or craftsman style. This instant refresh enhances your curb appeal, making your home more inviting to guests and potential buyers alike. Match modern buyer expectations. Today's buyers in West Jordan are looking for move-in ready homes with energy-efficient features. Old, single-pane windows or visibly outdated frames can signal future maintenance problems to prospective buyers, possibly lowering their offers, or turning them off altogether. By replacing your windows, you demonstrate that your home has been well maintained and thoughtfully upgraded. It can also help your property stand out in a competitive real estate market, leading to quicker sales and potentially higher bids. Increase resale value. Window replacement has one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, of any home improvement project. According to industry data, homeowners can recoup 70% or more of the cost when they sell. But beyond raw numbers, new windows make your home more attractive to appraisers and buyers. If you're listing your home, they may allow your agent to market features like new energy-efficient windows, low-maintenance vinyl frames, high curb appeal. These details can help justify a higher asking price and boost buyer confidence. Enhance architectural features. The right windows can accentuate the design of your home. For example, a large bay window can add elegance and dimension to your front living room. Casement windows can give a craftsman or colonial home a cleaner, more polished look. Awning or picture windows can modernize a mid-century or ranch-style house. With professional guidance, you can select window styles that elevate your home's architecture while maintaining neighborhood consistency, a key factor in West Jordan's family-friendly communities. Improve energy efficiency and functionality. Modern replacement windows are not just about appearance, they also boost energy performance, which is a huge selling point in Utah's climate. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas insulation help keep heat out in summer and retain warmth in winter. Not only does this improve comfort and reduce energy bills, but buyers will also appreciate the long-term savings, giving you another edge when it's time to sell. Reduce maintenance for you and future owners. Older wood-framed windows often require scraping, painting, and sealing to stay functional and attractive. Newer materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite offer beauty without the upkeep. Less maintenance is a bonus for you today, and a selling feature for buyers looking for low-maintenance living tomorrow. Final thoughts. A smart investment in your home's future. Whether you're staying put or preparing to sell, replacing your windows is a smart, strategic move. It enhances your home's visual appeal, increases comfort, lowers utility costs, and adds real value to your property. For West Jordan homeowners who want to stand out on the block and on the market, professional window replacement delivers long-lasting rewards, both financially and aesthetically. Ready to get started? Contact a trusted local window installation expert to explore options tailored to your home's style, needs, and budget.